are going to start with the first topic of maths, and that is international numbers and Roman numbers. Okay. In this topic, actually, we are going to see three types of number. Okay. One is international numbers, that is numerals only. Numbers and numerals, one and the same. Okay. Then we are going to see the Devanagari numbers, and finally, we will go to the Roman numbers, and there are some rules regarding Roman numbers. Okay. So this is our first topic of maths, that is international numerals and Roman numerals. Under this topic, we are going to see three types of numbers: international numbers, Devanagari numbers, and Roman numbers. Numbers, numerals, one and the same. Okay, so no need to get confused between numerals and numbers. Now, what is international numerals? What is Devanagari numerals? First, we will get clear regarding this, and then we will go to the Roman numbers. Okay. So international numerals or international number, it means our English numbers, which we generally used in schools. Okay, that is 0. You know, everyone, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. International numerals, international numbers, and the numbers which we use in our daily routine, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 in maths, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. These are one and the same. Okay. Now, second, if you see second option which is given to you, that is Devanagari numerals. It means Devanagari numbers only. This Devanagari numerals means the numbers which are in Marathi. Okay, ज्याला आपण मराठी मध्ये 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9 पर्यंत दिलेले ते. ठीक आहे. So international numerals means our regular numbers which we used in math, which start from 0 till 9. And Devanagari numbers means the numbers which we used in Marathi, which start from Shunya te 9 parent. Okay. And by using this regular numbers, that is 0 to 9, or the numbers which are in Marathi from Shunya te 9, by using this two, or by making the combination of these two, we are going to get more information regarding Roman number. Okay. Now, if you see the chart of Roman number, see, first they have given Roman number, and below that they have written international numbers. Okay. Roman numbers are indicated by using alphabets or by using letter. Which letters are there? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. That's it. Only this alphabets or this letter will be used to indicate Romans. One more. When I'm teaching you, if you have any problem regarding any point, you have to send me message or on your audio to talk with me. Okay. Be clear regarding this point. Anytime if you have any difficulty while teaching, you have to send me message or send me audio. So Roman numbers are indicated by alphabets or letter, that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay. And generally, we are going to play in between the alphabets I to X, or 1, 5, and 10. Why between 1, 5, 10? Because by using these numbers 1, 5, 10, or by using the alphabets I, V, X, we will come to know the value of 2. We will come to know the value of 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and so on. Okay? What I have told you, generally, we will use the alphabets I, V, X, or 1, 5, 10. Why? By using these alphabets or by using these numbers I, V, X, or 1, 5, 10, we will get the value of 2. We'll come to know how to write 3 in Roman. We'll come to know how to write 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, and so on by using the Roman symbols I, V, and X. Okay. So before starting to this, make clear that I will always stand for 1. Okay. V will always stand for 5.
Ma'am,
And X will
ma'am,
always stand for 10.
ma'am,
Okay. I will
ma'am.
always stand for 1. V will
Hello, ma'am.
always stand for 5. And X will always stand for 10. After this, actually, we are going to proceed with some rules regarding Roman number, how to form the numbers which are not given in this box or in this column. Before going to actual rules, let me make 2 rules very clear that in Roman numerals, there is no 0. 0 is not present in Roman numerals. See, if you see international, it starts with 0. If you see Devanagari or Marathi, it will start with Shunya. Okay. But if you see Roman, it will start with 1. This clearly indicates that 0 is absent or it is not present in Roman numerals. Okay, clear. First point is very clear. Okay, if any difficulty, you will ask me. See, network is not clear. This you have to check from your side also. Okay, Preet, now is my voice clear to you, Preet? Preet, is my voice clear to you? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Is it clear to you, Preet?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope so it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So first rule, I have told you that there is no 0 in Roman numerals. Okay. First point is very clear. Second rule, no place values. No ones, no tens, no thousand, 100, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 lakh, and abjad. Okay, no place values regarding. So these are basically 2 rules for Roman number. One is regarding 0 and second is regarding the place value. So do not worry for place value when we are studying regarding Roman numericals. Now, you might be thinking that how we will form 3, how we will get 4 from Roman number, how to get 6, how to get 7, how to get 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, so on. Let us start basically. We'll start with base. So as I have cleared you that we are just going to write or we will form the number with the help of I, help of V, and with the help of X. Okay. So now we will start. First rule, I, X, V. Out of this, I and X, what I'm telling you, I and X. Either you can write 2 times or you can write 3 times. What I have told you, either you can write 2 times or you can write 3 times. Okay. Now, if you go on writing to the right side, if you keep on writing to the right side, are you getting right side? This is my right side. Okay. You will carry on addition process. You have to carry on addition process if you write to the if you write to the left, then you're going to carry out subtraction process. We'll see one by one. What I have told you, 1 and x, you can write twice or you can write 3 times. Okay. Suppose 1 I will write. This is 1, right? Now I'll write 2 times. 1, 2. Right side I have written. So it will be 1 plus 1. That will be 2. See, we got 2, na? We got 2. Okay. Maximum you can write 2 or 3 times. So I will write 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3. Right? So you got 1 in Roman. You got 2 in Roman. You got 3 in Roman. Right? We have finished with 1, that is twice or thrice. Let us go for x, twice or thrice. 1 time x, it means 10. Right? Right side. Addition, 10 plus 10, that will be 20. Okay. X, x, x. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. See, are you getting what I have told you? 1 and x, you can write maximum 2 times or you can write it maximum 3 times. If I write 2 times, right side addition, left side subtraction. So 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 3. X is equal to 10. X twice, 2 times you have written. 10 plus 10, 20. If you write 3 times, it is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 30. Okay. So we have finished with 1, 2, 3. 5 you will not write like this. No, never. 5 we can't write like this. Why we can't write like this? This I will tell you later on. Why we can't write like this. Okay. So now again 1 V I V and X. Okay. So we have finished.
Ma'am, you mute. Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not. Ma'am, you have mute yourself. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Your is not coming.
Ma'am, you have mute yourself.
Your voice is not coming.
Okay. So now we have finished with right side. Now we are going to write to the left side. To left side, we can write I only one. Only one time we can write. No 2 time, no 3 time. Not to write twice, not to write 3 time also. Okay? And we can't write 5 before X. Okay? Why we can't write this?
Ma'am, you are again.
One time before V or before X. If we write I, before V, V means 5. We have to do subtraction. So minus 1, which will be equal to 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. X is equal to 10. If I write I on this side, it will be 10 minus 1, that equals to 9. Okay. So now we have got the number 1, 2, 3. We got 4. 5 already we have. Now 6. 6, how you will write? This is 5. Okay. Write one time I. It will be 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. If I write 2 times, then it will be 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. If I write like this, 1, 2, 3, maximum we can write 3 times. It will be 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 8. And see, we got all the numbers. We got 1, we got 2, 3, we have got 4, 5 already we have, we got 6, we got 7, we got 8, 9 also we got, and already we have 10. Okay. Now regarding 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I write like this, what it means? What it will be? Who will give me answer? What X stands for?
9.
What I stands for?
11.
Yes, anyone can say, or you can send to chat. What does this mean now?
11. 11.
Mansi, yes, it will be, yes, Zoya, right. How it will be 11? How it will be 11? Anvi, right?
Because 10
How
and
it will
I
be
is
11?
1. 10 plus 1 is equal to
How it is
11.
11?
Because
Okay, right?
it will be 11.
Okay. See, I will explain you. X stands for? Yes, Zoya, right. Very good. X stands for 10 plus I stands for, single I stands for 1. And so it is 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. Okay. 12, how to write 12? Yes, Sanvi, I got.
10
Everyone
plus
I got.
2.
How to write
10
12
plus 2 is equals to 12.
How to write 12?
10 plus 2 is equals to 10 plus 2. X double I.
Anyone, how to write 12? See, Roman, you might
X
not be
double I.
getting. X 11, that is 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. Okay, very good. 13, 1, 2, 3, that is 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 13. Okay, 14. Okay, and 15, we write like this.
XV.
That's why, this is the reason This is the reason we don't write 15 like this. 5, 5, 5. No. I have told you, I will tell you later on. So this is the reason why we don't write 15 like this. This is proper reason. 10 plus 5. Yes, Pari, everything good. So I hope so you have understood. See, in short, I will repeat the rules one again quickly and then we will go for exercise problems. Okay. First rule is that first, Ishwari, very good. Anvi, very good, beta. Everyone is sending properly. Very good. Now you can go for 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and so on. Any number you can write. Arnav, very good. Any number you can write in Roman. Please wait now. Please wait now. We have to go for revision point also. Because we are supposed to solve some problems also. So I have what rules we have seen. No zero in Roman numerals, no place values, right? Basically, we play in between I, V, and X. Maximum I and X, we can write 2 or 3 times. Okay?
Yes.
Now, 5 we cannot write 2 times also and 3 times also. No, 5 we never write. You have to remember this. Okay? If we write to the right side of any numerical symbol, Roman, then it will be addition. If we write to the left, then that will be subtraction. We can write to the left of V or X only one time. We can write to the left side of V or X only one time. We can't write to the left side of X. Okay, so that's it. These are the rules for the international numericals and numerals, Roman numerals. If any difficulty, please ask. If you have any difficulty, whatever, see, Mansi, 5 plus 5, we will not write. 10 already we have symbol. Why to go for 10? Mansi, we already have symbol for 10. Yes. Only difficulties, if you have any difficulties, please ask. Okay, and we no doubt. Very good. Anyone more? If you have any difficulty regarding any rule, then please ask. Otherwise, we will go for our numericals.
No
Okay,
doubt.
done. No doubt. Let us go then. Yes, Ishwari. Yes, 16, 17. Okay. Okay. Yes, everyone is right. Right symbols, right Roman numerals. Okay. So, shall we start for numericals? Shall we start for numericals?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
X plus X, it will be 20.
X plus.
Okay, let us go then. First one. Write the number. Write the number.
Ma'am, from Srishti, many voices coming.
Okay. So see, what is our first question? Write the number 3, 2, 6, 974 using Devanagari numericals. Okay. Devanagari numericals means which language it is actually? Devanagari,
Marathi.
which one it is?
Marathi.
Yes, who can tell? Devanagari, which one it is?
Marathi.
Marathi.
Devanagari language, which one it is? Yes, Anvi, very good. Anyone more? It is, yes, Marathi. So what they have asked us, this number you have to write in Marathi and your options are 3, 2, 6, 4, 7, 9. Second option is 3, 2, 9, 6, 7, 4. Third option is 3, 2, 6, 9, 7, 4. And fourth option is 3, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. You will tell me correct option or next thing is how can you solve? You can write down this in Marathi and then you can search for the option which is the right option. And we write, yes. And we write option. Anyone more?
Option number
Screen is blur. Okay, now
Ma'am, option number
now I think it is clear. 7.
Ma'am, option
Yes, Arnav,
number
right?
3.
Pari, right? Come on, everyone.
Ma'am, option
Sanvi,
number
right? Samiksha,
Ma'am,
right?
option number 3.
Okay. So, option number 3rd is the right option, that is 3, 2, 6, 9, 7, 4. Okay. Now, next question. Express the number.
Ma'am, screen is blur. Ma'am, your video is blur. Yes, ma'am, screen is blur again. Ma'am, screen is blur.
Ma'am,
Your screen is blur.
I'm now. Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
No, ma'am.
Okay. See question. Wait. Now is it okay, Pari? For screen, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Please wait. Those who are knowing, you have to wait for some time. Let me explain question. Express the number 24 in Roman numbers. Okay, options are right. Sanvi, Pari, Anvi, Zoya. Okay, right options. Okay. Fourth. Yes, Soham, Ishwari, Arnav, Samiksha. Okay, it was regarding to express the number 24 in Roman number, and option number 4 is the right option. Okay. Now, next question. Sir, time आहे ना? होईल ना माझं एक. Okay. See question. You have to wait for some time. Huh? Let me explain. How is the sum of 10 and 28 be written in Roman numerals? Okay. So how to write the sum? Actually, you will solve first. Those who are sending options, you have to solve first. 10 plus 28. What is the answer? 10 plus 28. What it will be? 10 plus 28.
38.
10 plus 28, it will be 38, right? So you have to find the option for 38. And now you will send me options.
First.
Yes, Zoya, right.
Ma'am, first one.
Zoya,
Ma'am,
right.
what is the answer?
Akshika, right. Ishwari, right. Pari, right. Anyone? Anvi, right. Arnav, right. Yes. Mansi, right. Anyone more? Samiksha, Sanvi, wait, option number 4. See option number 4, what it is. Soham, right. Sanvi, 38. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8. So it must be x. Srushti, 1x is less. X, right? 10, 10, 10. And for 8, we have symbol 1, 2, 3. Okay? Right. Now you are right. Right. Okay. No problem. Okay? Okay. Now see, there is one kind request for you. You have your classmates, okay? So please tell them to join. Though the lectures are recorded live, it's different feel, okay? So it's your duty to tell your friends or their parents to please join on time, okay? So 7 o'clock tomorrow we will continue with this topic. For today.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
stop here, okay? Thank you. Bye.
Okay.